Present perfect progressive affirmative form. So present perfect progressive are continuous tense, describes an action that started in the past, continues up to the present, and may continue in the future. Let's see the structure. Present perfect progressive affirmative form structure. The structure is like this. Subject, we write subject, we write have or has depending on the subject. Then we use been, the past participle of the verb to be, verb in gerund, and finally the complement. Example number 1, I have been recording new videos. I have been recording new videos. Example number 2, they have been studying languages. They have been studying languages. Example number 3. She has been singing at some concerts. She has been singing at some concerts. Next example. He has been wrestling at WWE. He has been wrestling at WWE. Last example. It has been raining a lot. It has been raining a lot. And well, my dear friends, this is all about the present perfect progressive affirmative form. See you in the next video. Click there where the arrow points. See you next time.